Hey there. Today, I'm going to teach you 10 essential Korean greetings that you can use in different situations. By the end of this video, you'll know how to say hello, good morning, and even ask how someone's doing. Let's jump right into it. The first greeting you should know is
안녕하세요.
which is the most common and versatile way to say hello in Korean. You can use this greeting any time of the day, and it's polite enough to use with anyone, whether you're meeting someone for the first time or saying hi to a friend. Next, we have
좋은 아침이에요.
meaning good morning. This one is a bit more specific and is used only in the morning when you're starting the day. If you're meeting someone you haven't seen in a while, you can ask
잘 지내셨어요?
which means, how have you been? It's a friendly way to check in on how someone's been doing. For reunions,
오랜만이에요.
is perfect, meaning, long time no see. It's a great way to greet someone you haven't seen in a while. When you meet someone new or see a friend, you can say,
반가워요.
which translates to, nice to meet you, or, nice to see you. It's casual but still polite. When someone else is leaving, you can say,
잘 가요.
to wish them well. It's a simple way to say, goodbye. If you're planning to see someone again,
다음에 또 만나요.
means, see you next time, leaving a positive, hopeful impression. If you're the one leaving and others are staying, say,
안녕히 계세요.
which means, please stay well. It's a polite and formal way to say goodbye.
수고하셨습니다.
Is a phrase used to thank someone for their hard work. It's great to show appreciation after completing a task together. Finally, you can wish someone a good day with
즐거운 하루 되세요.
meaning, have a nice day. And before we wrap up, let's quickly review the 10 essential Korean greetings we learned today.
안녕하세요.
Hello.
좋은 아침이에요.
Good morning.
잘 지내셨어요?
How have you been?
오랜만이에요.
Long time no see.
반가워요.
Nice to meet you, nice to see you.
잘 가요.
Goodbye to someone leaving.
다음에 또 만나요.
See you next time.
안녕히 계세요.
Goodbye to someone staying.
수고하셨습니다.
Thank you for your hard work.
즐거운 하루 되세요.
Have a nice day. Now you're all set to greet people in Korean. Keep practicing these, and you'll sound more natural each time. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.